On July 19, 2020, Santiago Ayala Pineda allegedly shot a firearm in the city of Kennewick, striking one person. He fled the scene before police arrived. 2 warrants, one for assault first degree and one for unlawful possession of a firearm, were issued for Ayala Pineda's arrest. On July 30, 2020, regional investigators believed that Ayala Pineda was a passenger in a vehicle driving in the city of Pasco. Pasco Police Street crime detectives were asked by regional investigators to assist with stopping this vehicle on Road 68 at Interstate 182. The Pasco detectives were wearing body-worn cameras, and their patrol cars were equipped with dash cameras when they stopped the vehicle on Road 68.
How you guys doing? Officer Corral, Pasco Police's traffic stop has been recorded, okay?
Detective Corral, who was the primary officer on the traffic stop, did not see Ayala Pineda in the vehicle. Detective Sergeant Warren, who was positioned on the passenger side of the vehicle, noticed that someone was lying on the floorboard behind the driver's seat, hiding. The person hiding was Santiago Ayala Pineda.
All right, guys, have a good day. Yep. Hey. Hey.
Detective Corral and Sergeant Warren gave Ayala Pineda commands to surrender. There was a small child in the back seat of the vehicle. Officers became concerned of the child's safety. Officers saw that Ayala Pineda was armed with a handgun and ordered him to drop it. Detective Corral shot Ayala Pineda, striking him.
Get him out. Hey, let me see your hands. People, put your hands here. Hands. Don't make any sudden fucking movements, dude. There's a baby right here. You put that kid in danger. Now. You put that kid in danger. Turn the fucking car off. Turn the car off. Ma'am, shut the car off. Hey. Hey, man. Play cool, guys.
Hey, just so you know, these guys got that straw they're yelling in the back of the car. I think they might be in here.
Put your fucking hands up now. Put your hands up. Hey, open that door. Hey, go and open that door.
Dude, you have to get out of my car. You have to get out of my car.
Hey. Hey, hold on. Hey, yeah, something right there.
Let me get my baby.
Hey, put the gun down. Gun. Put it down. He had a gun.
Shots fired here, guys. Shots fired here.
Hey, put the gun down. He had a gun. Put your fucking hands up. Put your fucking hands up. Put your fucking hands up. Keep your hands up.
Touch me up.
Go! Get out of here! Get out of here! Try to grab that gun, I'll fucking shoot you, you understand? You understand?
Detective Boykin arrived on scene after Ayala Pineda was shot. He removed the gun from Ayala Pineda and placed it on the ground.
What do we got? He's right here, he's shot, he has a gun on him.
Okay, he still has the gun?
Yep. Do you understand? Hey, listen to me. I'm gonna reach over, I'm gonna grab that gun away from you. If you freaking move, I will shoot you. I don't know if he still has another gun or not. Do you understand?
I'm gonna move this. You hold on and
I got him.
bring it one more guy up.
Yep. We'll yank him out of the car. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. If you reach for anything, I will shoot you in the head. Do you understand?
You're gonna take primary cover on that side. Ready?
Right. I got him covered.
Okay.
Rip him out. Get him cuffed.
Got the car. Ready, got cuffs?
Got him. Get him cuffed.
Officers on scene immediately provided Ayala Pineda with first aid and called for paramedics.
All right.
Ayala Pineda was transported to a local hospital where he was treated for his injuries. He was booked into the Benton County Jail for his outstanding warrants and assault in the first degree.